Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove header margin from last page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove header margin from last page in this document. Go to the last page. Then go to the layout menu and click breaks drop down menu. Then choose next page. Then double click on the header text. Then go to the design menu and click link to previous. Then decrease the header from top size. Then close the header and footer window. Now we can see here we remove header margin from last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.